Hello everyone, I'm looking at a new feature in Go that is how to use offer validity feature in courses. By using this feature in Go, that is we can provide exclusive offers starting from design date, specific early access to the courses, and we can also give short time period and specific number of days or for limited accessibility, and we can also encourage people to get into course and learn and skill as soon as possible. By accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on memberships. After clicking on memberships, you need to click on courses. You need to click on offers. After clicking on offers, here you can create if I want to create any offer, you can create. I'm creating the offer known as affiliate course or something, and I'm selecting the product or some affiliate course. I'm selecting the product, and I'm giving the title known as affiliate program, and it's I'm giving the one time I'm giving the price as recurring, and I'm selecting $150 as a normal example price, and the trial period is uh, for 15 days trial I'm giving, and a setup fee, and I'm setting some setup fee as 5%, and here I can provide the text input price, some around like $150, 150 something I will provide, and I will click on test. I need to click on test mode because it's live, and I need to click on create. So it will be live in the. So this is the page you'll be getting completely. And before that, like if I have created a free offer, if I click on this offer, this is affiliate course. Okay, I will get a page like this. Here I can uh, give the description, uh, limited access, grab it. Before offer ends. Okay, you can give this as a description, and I can specify the access date, some like any random access date I can give, and I can restrict the access within specific uh, 15 10 days, and also I can add image here. If I want to upload any image, I can click on upload image, and here I can upload any image if I need anything. Like I'm uploading a random. I can upload any random images and I can show it. And after that, here I can, this is the affiliate course page, and this is complete. If I am clicked on published, it will be published. And after that, I need to click on save. That's it will be saved. Here after that, I need to check out. In that case, I will click on edit checkout. Before that, I need to save it. Okay, it's saved, and I need to click on edit checkout. Okay, by clicking on edit checkout, we can check out the page, and we can access the course by purchasing it. I will get the page like this. Affiliate course limited access grab it before ends. Yeah, a person can give the email ID and the full name, and you can click on the proceed checkout, and you will get the amount. If it is free, I'm giving free offer. There's free offer. If there is any prices, I can see the price here. Okay, by using this feature, we can enhance the people to get the offer before it's. Thank you.